Welcome to WDD's HotSpot, sponsored by Components Corp. I'm Jennifer De La Osa, Associate Editor, and in this week's episode, say hello to Hyperloop 1's full-scale test track, autonomous tractor, and indoor security robots.
With a few different players now in the game, the race is on to win over governments and get the Hyperloop up and running. For LA-based startup Hyperloop 1, that means rolling into Dubai with photos of its full-scale test track and a few renderings of what the Hyperloop terminals might look like. Hyperloop 1 has signed a deal with port operator DP World to conduct a feasibility study exploring the potential of the system to ferry cargo from container ships to a depot further inland. But they hope that this is just the first step. Hyperloop 1 has ambitions of connecting cities across the Middle East. That includes an 86-mile trip that currently takes around an hour and a half by road in only 12 minutes. To show how serious they really are, Hyperloop 1 CEO Rob Lloyd accompanied his keynote address at the Middle East Rail Conference in Dubai with images of a full-scale test track in the Nevada desert, along with a few renderings of Hyperloop terminals. Dubbed the Dev Loop, the 1,600 feet test track has an 11-foot diameter and sits 30 minutes outside Las Vegas. Hyperloop 1 plans on conducting the first public trials using its new sealed test track in the first half of 2017.
Autonomy is taking the automotive industry by storm and is affecting several industries, including farming and agriculture. Unveiled at the SEMA show in Montreal, the autonomous tractor is an operable, unmanned vehicle that's monitored remotely using advanced safety control systems. The tractor was designed to ease the burden of tractor drivers and farmers from spending long, laborious hours in crop fields and making more productive use of their time. Not only has the autonomous tractor been rendered a much safer option, but it will optimize productivity with its capability to work around the clock. Using an RTK form of ultra-accurate GPS to provide parallel steering, the autonomous tractor concept model is also equipped with radar, laser, and sensory proximity systems, which enables the vehicle to be monitored and controlled through a computer or wireless tablet. The tractor will automatically stop and alert the owner if it encounters an obstacle in the field, and will provide camera feeds as well for the owner to survey and assess conditions of both the fields and weather. While this autonomous concept vehicle is still in its concept stages, a testing program that works with farmers has recently begun development. The final product will be released to the public, is expected to maximize crop harvesting production and take the labor aspect out of the equation for farmers.
Thanks to Cobalt Robotics, a new line of robot security guards might be assisting their human counterparts. The robo-guards have 60 embedded sensors, including ultrasound and depth detection sensors. Wide-angle cameras detect nearby moving objects, and RFID scanners verify the authenticity of a person's badge. In addition, microphones and a two-way video screen allow for remote interactions between an approached individual and building security. For general use, the security bots can scan certain areas for suspicious activity and notify human personnel if something requires further inspection. Currently, the robots can detect glass breaking, identify water leaks, and sense if a person is present in a confined location. Within the competitive security tech market, the company's design stands out among investors, since it's built to complement a manned security presence by gathering data and relaying relevant information to the proper authorities. Along with developing autonomous capabilities, the company hopes to learn essential design improvements from early customer feedback this quarter.
That's all for this week's episode. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter to catch past episodes at wirelessdesignmag.com. For the WDD channel, I'm Mike Luciano. Thanks for watching.